welcome to ET Garage. Today's video is going to be about what's going on with C4 Corvettes. Okay, like I was saying at the beginning of the video, what's going on with C4 Corvettes? And the reason I'm saying that is I go to a lot of events, and over the years I've been taking this my 90 C4 Corvette with, right now it has over 260,000 miles on it. I take it to a lot of events, mostly car shows and cars and coffee and, you know, cruise-ins, stuff like that, and other events. But normally people just walk by or don't pay no attention to it or any of that. And this year so far, several car shows I've gone to, I've been having a lot of people come up, look at it, show interest in it, and ask me a lot of questions and stuff like that. And so is the C4 Corvette, which is considered the bastard child of Corvettes. You know, it's kind of like the least popular of the Corvettes, and they usually go for, you know, value-wise, you pick them up cheap. And recently, low-mile, garage-kept nice ones, the prices have been going up, and people are showing more interest in them. Now, you can still get cheap ones, but if you get a cheap one, it's going to probably need a lot of work, and by the time you get done, you're going to just wish you spent more money on a well-kept, low-mileage one. But it does seem like more interest is starting to show in them, as far as the general public, I would say. So that's all I have to say about that. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you think interest in the C4 Corvettes is starting to increase. These, like my 90, for instance, is 34 years old now. Yeah, it's 2024, so it's 30 years old. 34 years old. So I guess that generation that grew up with them as kids, when the C4 Corvette came out, that was a big thing. It was like a big technological improvement. Just like when they came out with the mid-engine C8, that was a big technological improvement, you know, mid-engine and all that stuff. And of course, those are the cars to have right now, sorta, or were. Even those go through stages just the same as other Corvettes. The one thing I think that hurt the C4 Corvettes is they made a lot of them, and there's still a lot of them out there. So it's not like it's a rear car, because they don't rot away, and a lot of them there were a lot of them that were garage kept and well taken care of. However, the majority of them were passed on and sold and resold and trashed, and all sorts of stupid stuff done to them, like the fuel injection removed and people converting them to carbs, and they grew up the interior and ran all sorts of funky wiring for a bad, I would call it bad stereo installation, really bad installation of a stereo system. This car, when I bought this as a basket case, and it had some funky wiring going on with the stereo. The stereo didn't work. So I redid that and everything. Anyone who follows this I've done all sorts of changes to this over the years, and it's for a car with 260,000 miles, over 260,000 miles, and 34 years old. It's in really good shape and performs really well, actually. But that's it. That's all this video is about. It's just a short video. Don't have much going on. There's a lot of projects I still want to do. I will be sometime in the future ordering a new lens for my clear top, because I have two tops. I have the solid top with the cheap eBay carbon fiber vinyl on it, and the clear top, which is original to this car, is just it's at that time where it needs to be replaced. I could send it out to Melrose and have him do it, or there's another company that sells you a kit where you relens it yourself. I'm going to probably go that route, because a lot of people that watch this show are looking for DIY projects on their C4 Corvette. You know, most people who own a C4 Corvette are on a budget, and looking to save money. But the lower Delrum bushings or Delron bushings from Global West should be here in August. And then projects that aren't associated with the C4 Corvette, like that $100 small block I got sitting, well, it's behind the camera over there, but I want to get back onto that. The thing holding me up on that is the crankshaft. I keep hoping to find a cheap, used, good crankshaft, to keep it as cheap as possible, because all I want to do is slap it together as cheap as possible and put it on an engine stand and run it. The way it looks, I'm going to have to take that crank and get it ground and polished. So that's probably what I'll do. But I wish I had more to share with you right now. We're in a heat wave here in eastern this part of the country. A good part of the country is in a heat wave this right now anyway, and other weather alerts. But so I'm going to probably take like a trip to the shore and some other things. Yeah, but that's it. That's all I have right now. Like I said, leave comments what you think, what's going on with C4 Corvettes. You think they're actually getting in that zone where they'll be appreciated and more wanted and more popular? Or it's just another phase that they go through. I've seen them go through all these phases over the years where people do articles, oh, the C4 is the best bargain you can get, and snap them up while you can and all that stuff. And I've seen that year after year after year after year. Never really, not until now, have I really noticed any difference in the prices of C4s going up. But like I said, let me know in the comment section. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.